Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. Today we are going for a hiking at Amariya, so let's go. So friends, finally we are at the hiking location now, and today also is a group hiking, so we'll go after some time for the hiking. You can see behind me a lot of people here. So friends, finally we started our hiking. As you can see, a lot of people here. So friends, you can see a lot of people behind us now. For now, we are not doing anything street. The later stage, we will have some. It is almost 1 kilometer we have been hiking, and still a lot more to go. As you can see behind me, a lot of people trying to get down, and it is going to be a little dangerous one, so the instructor is helping him out. We are going to go down now, and as you can see how dangerous it is. You can see we came from that top, and we have been walking around the valley now, and we are going to go this side now. During rainy season, this place could be very amazing, when the water will fall from the top, come here and falls down, and it will go towards the valley. It could have been a very amazing view. To climb on this one now. You can see we came from that area, that mountain, towards the valley ground. Still people are there, and we came on the top. As you can find, people are still climbing. To go back this side now. Let's go now. As you can see behind me, we are going to get down now here. So let's go. We are back to the valleys now. We are walking in the valleys. So friends, finally we are near to our camp. We will climb this one, and that's the way we are going to end our hiking for today. So let's climb. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this hiking trip. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.